This right here is an amazing air purifier, but I'm not here to show you how good it is. I'm here to show you how to fix it if somebody like your kids, like mine did, throws a toy down one of these vents, and how easy it is to fix that, to take that toy out of there. So right now this is what's going on. So whenever I turn it on, it kind of automatically turns off, knowing that there's something stuck in there. Yeah, so it's pretty bad. So let's go ahead and fix this. Alright, so the first thing that we do is just flip it around, then open this hatch and take out the filter. After that, we unscrew the screws, and after that we go ahead and take these clips off. When you take this bottom shell off, just be careful because it is attached to some wires. You don't want to rip those off. And I flipped it around, and there it is. I found the thing that was making all that noise, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I wanted to kind of take everything else apart to be 100% sure that there was nothing else in there, because it sounded so horrible. But I found out that that was it. So make sure you match this one, because this one is bigger than the other ones. Match that with that right there. So I'm not going to keep on messing with the top here because I got what I came for. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it back. Make sure that you get this aligned there, because if not, it won't go in. It took me a while to figure that out. But also make sure you align that at the top, as I'm going to show you in the next clip here. You put these on there. You put this one right here that's bigger than the rest. So you do that and just it all aligns together. So that's one thing that to make sure that it all aligns together and gets put back on there how it's supposed to be. So the top and the bottom of the shell just have to align, and it's once you see it, it will be really easy to notice it. And then obviously just put the screws back on there once we're entirely done with everything that we need to do, and put the filter back. Perfect. Now it works perfectly. There's no sound. It's great, and hopefully my kids don't ruin this again.